Eric Stromquist here, man. I am with Shelpo from 75 Degrees F, man. It is such a cool company. Thank you for taking some time to speak with us.
Thanks for having me here. We're very glad we're part of this forum and we're very happy to be here.
So I understand you're going to teach me how to talk like an engineer on this interview. Is that true?
I will try to.
Well, others have tried. Nobody's been successful. But for our audience who might not know, tell them about 75F and what you guys are all about.
So we are a IoT company. Basically, we deploy native IoT solutions to buildings, and we aim to do occupant comfort with a lot of energy savings.
Well, no, it's so cool. And your products, I mean, the packaging, the ease of installation. I mean, I'm just totally blown away by just the thought that went into it. And you guys are especially known for indoor air quality, right? I mean, that's one of your...
Yes, air quality is one of our major offerings, so we try to maintain the quality with all our sensors and analytics and algorithms.
It's kind of like, I think, don't you have one sensor that does all kinds of indoor air quality stuff, as opposed to having to have a bunch of sensors?
Yeah, we do. We do have terminal equipment that has all the sensors on it. So we have more than 8 to 9 sensors on it. So we'll be able to get all the data into our system and optimize and monitor. And do alerting as well.
No, but my understanding is that the owner basically developed this was it his daughter, because his daughter was suffering from allergies and stuff like that?
Yes, he did. I mean, that is where he got really interested to solve the problem he used to have. I think the room his daughter was in was colder than the other part of his house. That's where he got into solutioning it, and that's why we have 75F.
So cool. Now, you guys are launching a new product, right? Can you tell us about that?
Definitely. We are launching Hayloft. It's basically a repository for digital twin models. So any tagging that you want to do that Project Haystack provides, you can use Hayloft and create your own models. You will be able to model any equipment out there very easily. You'll be able to maintain really integrated data.
That's a big plus, because obviously, you know, unless you can get the data out and use it, I mean, there's no point in having it, right?
Right. So it's all about community input. So the tool enables everyone to log in and build tagged models.
All right. Talk some engineering to me.
So some engineering, Hayloft will allow people to validate every tag and point and model that they're creating. So if you're doing that, it'll allow you to share with all your system integrators. It'll reduce your time in modeling from maybe a couple of hours to 30 minutes or lesser. So that's the advantage you get.
That's sweet. How do people find out more about 75F?
So you can always log into our website. You can also, we have a lot of videos. We are very active on the social media, so you can look us up any of these places. And I think you should definitely try Hayloft. Hayloft.info is a good place to visit, so you'll get to know more about it.
Oh, well, so they can reach them at 75f.io, right?
Yes, 75.io.
Very cool. Can I be on your YouTube channel?
Definitely. You speak engineering.
Okay. Celsius, Fahrenheit, millimeter, PSI.
A little more than that.
All right, teach me one engineering vocab word so I can impress Mark Peacock. Will you do that?
Optimization.
Optimization. Okay.
Algorithms. Control sequences.
Sequences. I like that.